Hey everybody, half pint here. No, the pint here, not half. The pint. I'm still trying to get used to that. So we're playing BTD5, and I have two, not one, but two. Not one, two. Of the monkey ride. One there. So I've set up this complete domination. Look what you can see with what round I'm on. But dang, this thing does work this round for a while. This is actually the highest I've ever gotten in this game. I always lose on round 93. These rounds they take about at least like 4 to 5 minutes a piece for just completing them. Alright. I wonder how around it is that there's a game stops that. I thought there was something here. This will be going on my channel as well as Emmett. If you have my channel, it's obviously going on right away. And actually they might get it like tomorrow or maybe upload it up today. I don't know. Just whatever I feel like doing. Alright. So what? Oh god, I just had it. There we go. I put a Robo Monkey, my first one here. Alright, we're gonna put this on that. Not working in here. Then MIB. I don't know why this one doesn't throw out spikes like this one. This one throws out spikes. This one doesn't. This one just shoots out the beams. I think it's cool because this actually attacks now. My monkey village. As you can see, you can put it on strong, close, first. Put it on strong. This, as you can see, has nothing there. I can't even have the MIB. Get this upgraded to technological care. See, did you guys do that time? The Garcity's opening and setting. I think it's just the wind. With that on MIB. And then, if I can find it. No, I don't want that. I'm gonna find it. I don't know. I wish these had special abilities. I mean, they could unlock it special ability, but. You see, I have this farmer monkey down here on the bottom right hand corner because I used to have some banana things. I wish this game had it like you can put it on the strongest balloon. But I wish it could, you could like put it on the weakest balloon so it could be destroyed faster. More bananas. Today I think the main goal will be this upgraded technological care. honestly feels complete destruction right now. I don't know if we will probably lose on like round 125 if I don't get that technological tear anytime soon. But for the most part, it usually lags a lot whenever I get far on levels. It usually lags a lot, but today it feels like it's not going to. Oh, gee. It just took out 4 and completely destroyed it. See if it'll do it again. No. That'd be cool if it did it again. Like, I want to see the info for the temple of the monkey god. Tower sacrifices enhance and modify the temple's awesome arsenal. Modify. Enhances and modify the temple's awesome arsenal. Modify. Modify. What are you supposed to modify? This? I need to put something down. We'll play the next round. Like I said, these rounds take forever. They take about 3 to 5 minutes each. I think the last of it's coming out of the portal, I guess, whatever you want to call it. The zones, or what do you want to call them? The green balloons are getting pretty wrecked. The strategy for this strategy is the main strategy. Okay, I'm sorry. But the main strategy is put some of them on strong, and then some just keep them the same. and to have these to create some extra money. And have some of them on strong, so that it can attract the balloon behind it and keep some of them the same, so it can attack that and attack both at the same time. You almost got him. Come on. Oh crap. Look, we got a technological tear. I don't want to use that special ability. Sorry I'm being quiet, I just gotta find some things to talk about in the gameplay, but I wonder what our technological tear is supposed to do. I wonder if like that surge beam like wipes out stuff, or if it just like makes it more powerful. Nice. So, upgrade banana plantation, and banana plantation. We'll go lifelong bananas, and that will be the end of the video today. It was pretty good if we ask me. We have 2 Temple of the Monkey Gods and 1 technological tear. We upgraded our monkey village. We got some more banana farms. Oh god, my battery's getting over temperature. Alright, so this miss. Alright. So this will be my first video for my channel. I'm actually will be getting this video, I guess. And goodbye.